This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites so you don't chase ghosts. Check After Effects version and GPU driver, and confirm your OS build. Once done, disable third-party plugins or launch in safe mode to isolate incompatibilities, because many red screen faults come from bad plugins. Make sure to clear both disk cache and media and disk cache. Clearing forces fresh frame renders and often removes corrupted cache frames. You're now ready to reproduce the issue with a minimal project, and keep notes on exact steps that trigger the red screen. Now reproduce the red screen in a minimal project to isolate the problem. Make one composition with a single solid and the effect you suspect. Then toggle GPU acceleration in Preferences. Many red screens happen when GPU compositing conflicts with a driver or effect. Render a short frame range to save time and monitor when the red cast appears. At the same time, review After Effects logs or the system console for error messages. Since those entries often pinpoint faulty plugins, open GL/metal errors or memory faults. To fix the red screen, first switch to software rendering. If that removes the issue, update or roll back the GPU driver depending on which version is stable. Once stable, re-enable plugins one at a time to find the offender, or replace that effect with a native After Effects equivalent. This prevents recurrence. Finally, purge caches, reset preferences if corruption persists, and render a full verification clip. Troubleshooting tip: if the red persists, capture a frame and compare color channels. Persistent all red indicates GPU/compositing, while channel-only issues suggest footage or color profile problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.